Texas is known for storms.
Here in Florida, we get storms quite often. We were in the path of Milton.
We were in probably some of the worst winds I've ever experienced here in South Carolina.
We sustained close to 100-mile-an-hour winds at my house.
In the beginning of Sandy, down the street, a friend of ours, his generator literally blew up because it got soaked.
And I wanted to be prepared for the next one.
We were able to keep that power going to our house along with the gin tent, but protect it from any further rains that may have occurred. So that worked out really well for us.
Gin tent, it didn't waver at all. It stayed connected. There was not one drop of rain that got inside the canopy.
Got the gin tent and was just immediately impressed with the quality of it.